Good evening, everybody. I hope you are all excited about the 4th of July weekend coming up. It looks like some nice weather here in Northbrook. So I am Caroline Gow. I am a realtor at Baird & Warner in the Glenbrook office, and I'm so excited to show you this new listing. We've had a lot of activity already today. It was put on the market this morning, and I'm at 1918 Central Avenue in Northbrook. This is District 31 on the west side of Northbrook and unincorporated, so we have low taxes. This is an affordable ranch at $350,000. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bath with a basement, and it's been expanded. So I've heard comments today that it's a storybook looking property. And so see for yourself. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna give you a very detailed walkthrough of this house. We're gonna look in cabinets, go down in the basement, go inside, outside. So if you're live watching this recording with me, feel free to chat, and if you want me to slow down or go back and see something else, we can do that. This is what I call the walk with me tour. So let's get started. Here I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna turn the mic around, the camera, and we'll go back out to the front and start from the front door. All right, it's got very nice curb appeal. The roof was done in 2013. And we're at 1918 Central. Come on in. So the front, right when you walk in, we have the living room. And this house is immaculate. It's been very well maintained. It's on a nice quiet street in unincorporated Northbrook. We're about a half block north of Techney, south of Walters. So over here, they were using this kind of as a dining room. And there's a coat closet here. And walking in straight from the front door is the expanded addition. So we have this renovated kitchen, white, gleaming, nice, crisp and clean. Lots of cabinetry here. There is a disposal, double sinks, a hot water dispenser, soap dispenser, pull-out sprayer. We have the dishwasher to the right of the sink, and it overlooks the nice family room. And I'm facing west, so every time I've been here, there's been a ton of light in this house. It's very cheerful. It's in excellent condition. Built-in microwave here, glass cooktop there, and oven below. And then here's the white fridge with the ice and water maker. This is a ceramic tile floor. So I will step back so you can see. Hi, Dana. Nice to see you. What's going on? Ready for the 4th? All right, so let's go this way. We're walking into the family room. Okay, wood burning fireplace. Nice mantle, it's very cheerful. We've got recessed lights. The door you see there goes down to the basement. We'll go there later. Very cozy. There are 3 bedrooms. Off the kitchen, adjacent, this they're using it as a den / office. This is a 3rd bedroom if you need it that way. It does have a door, closet, and window, therefore a bedroom. Okay, and this faces west, so you'll see we're getting some afternoon sunlight in here. Typical closet, slider doors. Okay, there is carpet all through the house, and I understand from the owner that there are no hardwoods. I know I always get that question. Okay, this is in the hallway. This is one of 2 full bathrooms. Okay, so are you able to see this good? Well, are you able to see it well? And this is one bedroom here. So if you are tired of stairs, this is a great single level option. I know it's hard to find a ranch, especially in this market as it's been heating up. And the nice thing about this ranch is it has that addition. So it's almost 1,700 square feet. And it does have a separate bathroom on the other side of the family room, which works nicely for dinner guests. Before we head over that way, I want to show you the floor plan. It's really important when you're shopping for a home to be able to look at the floor plan. And some listings don't provide it, but I think it's really important. So for all my listings, I do show that. So when you're walking in, let's see. We walked in the front door here, living room to the right, and then there's the hallway. There's bedroom 1, bedroom 2. There's the bathroom I showed you. This is the 3rd bedroom / office. And then this nice open kitchen. And we're facing west, so over to the family room. And then we will head over, there's a hallway here, closet, door to the outside. And then this is another full bath, shower. We call it a full bath. If it has a bathing option, it's a full bath. Then over here, this room is special. It's got the laundry right here, but it's quite a big room. You could either use it as an office or just make a gigantic mudroom here. Goes into the garage. The garage is ginormous. There's space for a workbench. This will be going with the owner. And then this is special. There's an extra door that goes into the basement. So that's convenient when you want to take your stuff down. And the basement is large. There's also a cemented crawl space over here, but this is all basement, and it has another fireplace down there. So let's go take a look. Okay. This house is staged and ready for you. There's a slider out to the back door. Nice patio. I will show you the front exterior. The driveway is sculpted with pebble paving, which is nice. Super cute house. All right, so I promised you some closets. Serious closets here. And bathroom. See how clean everything is? It's nice. Okay, then we have another closet here. Because this was the addition, they have a lot of extra things. Storage. And we will go out that door in a moment. So this is kind of, call this the south wing. And then in here we have extra storage, sewing table. All right, so here is the washer and dryer, cabinets. There is another closet. See, lots of closets, right? And very organized. And they have some built-ins I think this would make a cute office. However, if you needed the extra space for a mudroom, this would be good too. It's, you know, if you can imagine yourself sitting here looking over the garden, that's a nice office space. Alrighty, let's go take a look at the garage. The eagle that you saw on the garage door is going with the family, as is this workbench, but you could do another workbench like that. That's easy. So it is quite a large garage. You see it's plenty of room for 2-car, and on the side there's space on either side. And this is the door that goes to the basement, so you can go in carrying your stuff. More storage. This is a wonderful option for somebody who's downsizing from a bigger house and doesn't want to part with all their stuff. I say people should move every 5 years so they get rid of your stuff. It makes it so much easier. Out of sight, out of mind, right? And then aren't these sweet? I love these maps. I was telling them they should probably take some with them, but they're just laminated on here. So more storage. Door out to the backyard. Oh, pull down attic with a stair. Okie dokie, let's go down to the basement. What else can I tell you? The details on this house. Okay, so the taxes, because it's unincorporated Northbrook, they're low taxes. It's showing a senior and a homeowner's exemption, $5,260. So that would remove that exemption. It's an unfinished basement, but it's not creepy at all. It's very dry. So we have some more maps. And this workbench is going to, we're going to exclude that. There is a crawl space. As I mentioned, it's cement poured, so you can store stuff there. Okay. So the electric panel was replaced. It's a 200 amp, so that's in good shape. Furnace is 2008. I have to double check my notes, but I believe that's right. Burning fireplace. And plenty of workspace, hangout space, finished. Okay, welcome home to 1918 Central. All right, let's go on back upstairs. I want to show you the outside. It's super cute. They have tons of perennials. Is there anything else you want to see again? Or cabinets? I'm going to go this way. So the patio is in really excellent shape. It's concrete. And your neighborhood surrounded by some nice newer houses. See right there across the street. So there's room here to expand if you wanted to. But really, it's move-in ready. It's so clean. You could update bathrooms as you go along, but you could move in and do that use one at a time while you did it. There's a cute shed here. The bird baths will stay. And I want to show you one of my favorite things about this house. There are three. First thing is the covered porch, because a lot of houses don't have that, but because they were able to do the addition, It's got this sweet covered porch. So serene, peaceful. This goes to the garage. Snapdragons. Oh, somebody's waiting to come in. So this is the front again. So as we wrap up, once again, this is $350,000. It's three bedrooms, 2 bath, big basement, 1,700 square feet. Nice open renovated kitchen here. And we're at 1918 Central Avenue in Northbrook. This is District 31 on the west side. It's a lovely package of space, condition, and location. And I'd love to give you a private showing, but be quick because we've already had a bunch of showings today and we got it up ahead of the holiday weekend. So don't delay. If this is a great fit for you, come on over. You can reach me at 847-686-3182. I am Caroline Gow in the Baird and Warner Glenbrook office. And signing off. I hope you have a wonderful holiday weekend, and I'll talk with you soon. Bye.